Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn Company. It's Thursday, March 1st. I'm going to go over the markets with you. You had some broad-based support into these grain markets. Once again, it really does feel like funds. They were rumored to be massive buyers of these grain markets here yesterday. Usually fund buying starts in the wheat. We saw that yesterday. It definitely happened again today. Minneapolis up about 11 cents. You actually had Chicago and Kansas City up anywhere from 17 to 20 cents as well. And following suit with that was corn market up 4 cents, and then bean market a little bit late to the game, but did come through at the end of the day with some good support, up 12 cents. So a lot of support around these markets. Had export sales. They were above expectations in soybeans, which we need. And then also you had phenomenal sales once again into the corn market. We are ahead of pace of where we typically are for our USDA's export allowance, and so you should start to see them grow that export number here in our S&Ds out of this next crop report to shrink corn carryout a little bit. We are knocking at the doors of some highs that we saw for July corn a couple times a year ago. So that's one thing to watch as well. But overall, just looks like a lot of fun movement into these markets, finding that support here. You do have a big snowfall coming for a lot of areas and a cold snap coming, and that could be the driving force behind wheat besides funds. The fact that you've been so nice the last couple days or a week, you probably don't have a whole lot of snowfall cover, could be another problem for winter wheat areas. Crop conditions are pretty poor there, so that's one thing to watch as well. Meat markets struggled throughout the day. It really does feel like you're having funds pull from outside markets and to the cattle markets and go into the grain markets. That's what it feels like. Fundamentally not seeing much change. You did see cattle try to fight itself back, but for meat markets in general, just closing slightly lower. Didn't help the fact that the Dow was down over 500 points today. So you had a lot of pressure into those outside markets. Crude was down hard. US dollar was traded both sides, with the Dow market being down the hardest. Looks like it might be coming off the fact that it talks of some tariffs coming for steel and aluminum imports. So that's one thing to watch as well. But there was quite a bit of pressure into those US stock markets. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.